Another recovery. Got Denver PD here.
Yeah.
Recovery time. We're driving through and we saw a police officer stop in the middle of the street, so right out JK and I. I'm gonna jump this car.
No, nothing.
Hopefully.
Okay. Let me try.
And also dig him out, pull him out.
Oh yeah. Here, Devan, wanna hold it open? Yeah, you're good. Okay, cool. Let's try it. If not, we can jump it. Okay, yeah, try again. Okay.
Alright. Jump packs for the win.
Alright, now
You got it?
go behind you. See if I can get you out. Getting a good video of it. Zoomed
Right.
out.
Zoomed out.
I might just pull from the front. I'm gonna pull you from the front, actually. Okay. There's way better points over here.
Jump back.
Huh?
Jump
Oh
back.
yeah, just better.
Turn your wheel all the way passenger. Okay, he'll pull around front. You want your tailgate shut?
Oh yeah, sure.
So what we're doing here is it's a lot easier to access the frame from the front end with the front wheels turned all the way to passenger side. Is that all the way passenger?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. That way we can access the frame in there. I don't know if you can see that. Thankfully, of course, we got Denver PD who was here first, probably to call a tow truck or something. Charge this poor fella a lot of money. He's blocking the road for us right now.
So I'm gonna pull you forward,
Okay.
and your back's gonna slide,
Okay.
and you can just give it gas, and once you're back on here,
Okay.
you can go whichever way you want.
All right.
Is it for... Oh, okay. Here we go. Getting wet again, boys. So yeah, you can keep it turned this way as hard as you can. Great.
It's got some pretty seriously bald tires in this.
I know, that's why I was like, what the hell?
Yeah. Don't drive with bald tires, folks. Especially in snow.
Strap for sure.
Like I said, at Redout JK and I, we at you indeed. We got Denver PD over here. On this poor fella stuck. We pulled up. We're gonna pull this guy out. His battery's dead too. So we jumped him, the booster pack. Now we're gonna be pulling him out.
And you can get a little slow gas. Cool. Here we go. Got the video rolling?
Yep. Need to be more over there.
Yeah.
Here, hold on. You got it? Okay, good, good. Hold. We're just going to be repositioning. The car doesn't have any traction on the front tires, so unfortunately he wasn't able to get himself out of the road a little bit as we assisted. So what we're going to do is reposition. Adam's going to reposition over there.
I wasn't even in four-wheel drive, that's why it's been pulled.
Hold on. Let him pull you up.
Don't keep turning towards you.
Keep turning towards me. Got to get you higher ground. You see that sign behind you? That's good. Hold. He's just going to slide right back in over there. How far are you going?
I was just either gonna just probably park it or something.
Yeah, yeah.
Your tires just spinning.
Yeah.
They're fucking bald. I work right over here at the bar.
Yeah. It's just because it's such a slippery slope.
Yeah.
Let me detach, and then I'm gonna go further back, and we'll try. I mean, we'll see if you can go by yourself. But,
Park like. Yeah. Park maybe behind that white SUV over there. What do you think?
Yeah. All right. Want to try going forward?
All right, that's good.
Okay. Yeah. Let me back up and give you another tug.
Okay.
Yeah.
Not gonna make it anywhere.
Good.
If he needs more pull, I don't know. It's pretty insane.
Yeah. About all we can do is park him off to the side of the road.
Alright, we'll try it again. Okay. And I think if we can get you to the intersection, or like just a little further up, I think you should be okay. Okay. So, same process, we'll have you turn more this way. And then, yeah. Ready?
Why don't we just rotate his tires real quick? Front back to front.
Huh?
Rotate his tires real quick.
What do you mean?
As in, rear tires to the front. Brake. He's on the winch line.
Oh yeah.
That's alright. No, you're good.
Okay.
Now you want to back up like 2 feet? Yeah. Yep, you're good.
There.
Alright, can you turn it hard towards us? Pull up, perfect. Okay. Let me spool this up. He's good to go.
Great thing about holding the camera is I don't have to do any of this stuff right here. Put the gear away.
Yeah. That's crazy. We got Denver Police Department here blocking the road for us. Third recovery of the day, guys and girls. This is great. I think Devan and I should start making it
Oh,
for ourselves.
fellow Jeeper over there.
Man, it's cold.
Got my Jeep back there, and Denver PD still blocking the road.
There's a shot from like behind it of like my Jeep and in the car. Have a good night. Yeah, don't worry.
Be safe.
Go talk to the officer.
Alright.
Alright, there he goes. I need to get some red and blue lights, I think. I think that's part of the plan. Alright, night recovery done. You know, Dev and I are out here at the gas station helping people. He's filming his winches.
Come on
and
down,
everything.
but don't get stuck.
Exactly. Alright, let's go get some night photos. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. All it was a couple recovery videos, but nothing too serious. Just Devan and I running around trying to do some fun stuff tonight. Did some night pictures, did some donuts, you know, all the good stuff. But yeah, we were just going out there helping people, saw them, heard people yelling for help. They needed a tow, so I was able to help them out. Devan got some good shots, I'm sure. And yeah, it was a good night. I'll make sure to catch you guys in the next episode, and stay tuned. Peace.